Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 31st December 2021. Today's topic name is String Buffer Class and String Builder Class. Then we discuss one by one. In Java, we are creating string in three ways. First one is by using string. Second one is by using buffer class. By using string buffer class, and third one is by using string builder class. So firstly we discuss by using string. String is a created two ways: heap memory and string constant pool. String is a created method by using both heap area and string constant pool. String is a immutable object created. String is a slow as compared to string buffer class and string builder class. Then we discuss about what is string buffer class. In Java, string buffer class is a memory allocated in heap memory. String buffer class is a mutable object created. It consumes less memory. All methods are synchronized in string buffer class. Then string buffer class are thread safe. String buffer class faster as compared to string. Its data is changing frequently. Then we use string buffer. String buffer class extends object class, implements serializable, appendable, char sequence, etc. It inherits some method from object class, that is clone method, equal method, finalization method, get class, hash code method, notifies method, notify all method, etc. String buffer class available three constructors such as string buffer empty bracket, second one is a string buffer int capacity in parenthesis, and third one is a string buffer string str in parenthesis. So string buffer class is available in string buffer class are provided some methods in buffer class. First one is a append method. Append method is we use to all text at the end of the existing text. Then second one is a length method. Length method, it is used to returns length of the string. Then third one is a capacity method. Capacity method, it returns the capacity of string buffer class. Delete. Delete method, delete the sequence of character from invoking objects. That's all about string buffer class. Third one is a string builder class. In Java, string builder memory allocated in heap area. String builder created mutable object. It consumes less memory as same to string builder. In string builder include non-synchronized method. Then not thread safe. String builder performance faster as compared to string buffer. If data is changing frequently, then we use string builder. Then use of methods are then some methods are provided string builder class. First one is a append method. Append method is used to add text at the end of the existing text. Then second one is a length. Length, it is used returns length of the string. Third one is a capacity method. The capacity method returns the capacity of string buffer class. Fourth one is a delete method. It deletes the sequence of character from invoking objects. Then reverse method. It reverses the character within the string buffer object. That's all about string buffer class. That's all about string buffer class and string builder class. Thank you.